Hi everyone. So we're all done with road trips for this year, and I've taken all the camper van parts out of the van and taken the solar panel off the roof. The last thing to take out of here are the window screens, so I thought I'd show you those, give you a little more detail on those. And I think I've got some old footage of when I built them earlier this year. See if I can put something together to give you a rough idea of what went into it. So here's how they come out. Just as a recap, it sits in here full frame. There's a foam gasket all the way around to match the rubber door window gasket. The original screens can still be used, kind of privacy screens or sunshade screens. They go like that. To get these out, I've got these two clips on top and these tabs in the bottom that sit in the slot. So I should be able to wiggle this out of here like that. And there you go. So this is what you see on the inside. And the top has a ½ thick frame. The bottom has ½ thick frame. On this side, I've added material so that I can form the foam gasket to match up with the curvature of the door. Now, it's not exact, but I just want to make sure that I was close enough so that the pressure point on the rubber gasket would be able to hit the foam here. And over on this side, it's a little funky. Added material to bump it out this way, so that the foam could ride out quite a ways before coming back in to, again, match up with what was on the door frame. And then obviously it's got the little S curve to it here. Up on top, these are little stainless steel sheet metal tabs I made. I dipped the end in the Plastidip for like tool handles, so it's kind of rubbery. Just little plastic tabs to sit in those slots at the top of the door frame. And it's flat. You can see the screen is flat, and all the curvature is made up on the edges of the frame. So I hope you found this video useful. Just leave any comments and questions for me. I'll do my best to answer them, and we'll see you later.